Okay, we have an MV54 vertical milling machine, serial number 64192. Machine was new in the 1980s. We're going to run it for you. Machine has a 10 by 50 table with 32 inches of X travel, large bed. He's moving the X right now. You have a Sony 2-axis digital readout, servo power feed for the table. Right now he's running the table. In the X, you can see the DRO working. Other direction. You have a 3 horsepower head from 60 to 4,500 RPM. That was a high range. Okay. Here we are in low. Machine has an R8 spindle. Okay. And that's the quill. There you go. Thanks for watching our video.